Hello guys and welcome to another curd recipe. This time it's Calamansi Curd. The ingredient list is in the description. This smooth and sexy curd features the exotic Asian citrus flavor of the calamansi fruit. Spread it on some toast, fill your cupcakes or make a tart. Calamansi, also known as calamondin or Philippine lime, has a very unique citrus flavor quality about it. Very sharp and sophisticated. Back home in Malaysia, we call them limau kasturi. Don't be fooled by this little guy. They can pack a punch in sourness. I was lucky enough to get some in my local Asian grocery shop. They have a fair amount of seeds, so be careful. It smells like 10 limes compressed into one, and the aroma is just beyond your average lemon or lime. I'm going to squeeze a couple of drops in my mouth. Oh my god, that is mighty sour. I am totally awake now. This flavor is really good on a hot summer day with some sugar syrup, water and ice, making yourself an advanced lemonade, or in this case, a calamansi-ade. Back home in Malaysia, we just order it in a drink shop as limau ice. And this is the citrus fruit that they use. You will need to cut all of them in half. Once you have done that, we are going to extract the juice the old-fashioned way over a sieve. Squeeze everything out. What comes out isn't much, but it is super powerful. Remember, I told you there was a lot of seeds. Once you have gotten the fresh juice, take a medium-sized pot and pour in 150 grams of fresh calamansi juice. Then pour in 125 grams of castor sugar. Give that a mix. After that, measure out 100 grams of whole eggs. Pour that in and then measure out 100 grams of egg yolks. Pour that in as well. Once all the eggs are in, mix well. Because the juice is so strong, the acid will start to cook the eggs, especially the egg whites, so make sure you mix really well. Bring the pot over to the stove and turn on the heat. We want the heat to be medium to low. We do not want the mixture to boil. Keep mixing and make sure the bottom is moved around. We do not want it to burn. We are looking for a temperature of 82 degrees Celsius. Once the mixture has reached 82 degrees Celsius, take it off from the stove and pour the mixture into a bowl. In the meantime, measure out 150 grams of cold cubed butter. Make sure the cubes are in a uniform size. Toss a couple in. This will help to cool down the mixture since the butter is cold. Do this in stages. Once the few pieces that you have tossed in have melted, toss a few more in. Do this until everything is gone. Don't pour it all in at once from the start. That might cause the mixture to not mix well. We had gone from 82 degrees Celsius to about 45 degrees Celsius after mixing the butter in. Now you can test if the mixture is ready. Take a spoon and dip the back of the spoon in. Draw a line and just look at that. A perfect line. Here, I'm going to taste that. It is amazing already. Wait until it sets in the fridge. Now for the final step. I do this just to make sure everything is super smooth. Take a fine sieve and pour the mixture over. This is just to help catch any unwanted bits, such as pulp from the juice or overcooked eggs perhaps, or maybe a seed. Now this curd is ready to be placed in a container. Pour it in a container and place some cling film over the top. Make sure it touches the surface. This helps to prevent the skin from forming in the fridge. Place the container in the fridge. Let it set overnight. In the meantime, while waiting, do check out my other videos on my channel. The next day, take it out from the fridge. Peel back the cling film. I can already smell the citrus from here. It has set perfectly. Just look at that. I'm going to enjoy this with some English muffins. I'm going to toast them. Spread a good amount, but not too much, because this is some seriously intense stuff over here. Let's have a bite. This is just amazing. Simple, creamy, smooth, and amazing. I am just surprised by the intenseness of the flavor, even though I already expected it. You need to try this. Well, there you have it, Calamansi Curd. Go and make this. I promise you that you will enjoy this slap in the face with such an intense but beautiful citrus awakening like you have never had before. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.